Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 about a grayscale chart. And if you didn't watch part 1, you'll find out I'm a non-believer. The original gentleman asked me how you could make one quicker. Well, you could make 10 boxes, and let's move them over, Control D, and you could fill that first one in with 10% black. You could fill the second one in with 20% black, third one 30% black, and on and on. But there's a quicker way, and it doesn't really matter to the grayscale chart. I'm going to delete these. I'm going to fill this in with 100% black. I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to right-click and take away the, I'm just going to select them all and right-click over here, no outline. Now, if we hover over this, it tells us that it's 230, 230, and this one is 000, which is 100% black. If you would just select these two, go up to Effects and blend them 8 times. You've made a grayscale chart. Whoop, I don't want to do that. And if we look, the only way to really, now this is going to show up as 000. This one is going to be, well, I've got to break the blend apart. And I've actually got to go and ungroup them. Now, if we click on that, it's 26, 26, 26. And if you look, it's 26, 26, 6. The other one is, the next step is 51, 51. So if you look down here, it's 51. And you can do a quicker version of that with the color eyedropper tool. 0, 51, 77, 102, 128, 255, 179, 204, 230, 230. And if we look, we're at 230 on that black. So that is a quicker way to set that up. But I'm still, if you didn't watch part 1, you need to watch it, because I don't believe in, I've never made one. I've never ran one. I've always engraved, and I've got a really nice epilogue laser, and I always engrave everything at like 70%. If it's not dark enough, I'm going to run it again. Because every piece of wood is different. You could buy many, many sheets of plywood like this cutout, and every one of them is going to be different from the same batch. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.